Yep, so this is the old new highway, which you have not seen before. We're coming up to North Travis, which you may remember. I think there used to be an it used to be Skaggs. It's now an Albertsons on the right. This is the beginning of the major construction zone. So we're passing under Taylor Street, which turns into Grand Avenue on the other side of the old highway. Over towards the right, you can see what's left of the old highway. It has been destroyed at this point. We are coming into the downtown area. The old football stadium will be on the left in a moment. Apparently you will not be able to see it now because the new highway is so much higher. This is the Houston-Lamar intersection. What's left of it. The old Sherman Democrat is on the left, but you can't see it anymore. I'm just trying to give you points of reference that you may recognize. This is a little bit of what's left of the old highway that you may or may not recognize at this point. And then we're about to go up what we used to call the Johnson & Johnson Hill, coming up to 1417. While the Johnson & Johnson building is still there, it's not currently in use. It's abandoned. The bridge we're about to pass under is West Travis. If you may remember, Travis used to be a north-south road. Now it is also an east-west road. And the next bridge will be 1417, and then we'll turn it off after that. Now passing under 1417, and this will probably be, from here on, you would probably recognize at least a little bit of it with TI on the right, about a mile up. So that's where we are with the road construction in Sherman. Yahoo!